Have you ever wondered why some sentences stay in your mind after just one hearing? The meaning of words is important, but science shows us that the sound of words matters just as much. Language is built from different combinations of sounds. Some sounds are familiar, while others are rare and unpredictable. Researchers analyzed 51 million words of spoken American English taken from movie and television subtitles. Words with less common and surprising sounds make the brain pay more attention. Although they are harder to process, these surprising words are actually remembered better. The more specific a word is, the easier it is to remember. In particular, words related to danger often have very striking sounds. Great speakers don't just choose meaningful ideas, they also choose sounds that make their words memorable.